Today, I'm going to teach you how to convert a legal size PDF to A4 size using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you need to standardize document sizes for printing or sharing across different regions, as legal and A4 are the most common paper formats used worldwide. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. You'll need to log in with your credentials if prompted. This ensures you have access to all the professional features that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers for PDF manipulation and conversion. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen of Adobe Acrobat. From your recent files, select the PDF document that you want to convert from legal size to A4. If your file isn't showing in Recent Files, you can always browse for it using the Open File option. After your PDF opens, look to the upper left panel of the screen and click on Menu. From the drop-down options that appear, select Print. This might seem counterintuitive since we're converting the file rather than physically printing it, but the print function in Adobe Acrobat is actually a powerful tool for changing document properties and creating new PDF versions. In the Print dialog box that opens, navigate to the Printer section, click on the drop-down menu here, and select Adobe PDF as your printer. This is the key to converting your document, as it allows you to create a new PDF file with different specifications rather than sending it to a physical printer. Next, click on Properties, which you'll find right beside the Printer drop-down menu. This opens up a new window where you can customize various settings for your PDF output. In the Properties window, navigate to Adobe PDF Page Size, click the drop-down menu right beside it, and from the list of available paper sizes, select A4. This is where the actual conversion happens, as you're telling Adobe to reformat your legal size document to fit A4 dimensions. Once you've selected A4, click OK to confirm your page size settings and close the Properties window. You'll be returned to the main Print dialog box. Now click Print to begin the conversion process. Even though it says Print, you're actually creating a new PDF file with the A4 size specifications you just set. A Save dialog box will appear. Here, select the location on your computer where you want to save the converted file. It's a good idea to choose a location you'll remember easily. If needed, rename the file to distinguish it from your original legal-sized version. You might want to add A4 to the file name for clarity. Once you're satisfied with the location and file name, click Save. The conversion process will complete in just a moment, and you'll have a new PDF file in A4 size ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.